You ready?
Can I help you?
Let's go.
I'm using my muscles.
Good job. Come here. All right, wait.
First, I need to.
All right.
All right.
Turn around. Turn around. Over here. Look. Look. Right here.
Husband,
All right.
ready for?
What are we making?
We're making a strawberry.
A strawberry what?
Strawberry pie.
Smoothie.
Movie.
Okay. So we already put in a little bit of ice,
Yep.
a little bit of yogurt. So what else? Let's put those in.
Yep. And mix them up with. Uh-oh, I dropped one.
That's okay.
I can bring some nana.
Let's put all those in first.
Okay. How?
Huh?
How, Daddy?
Gee, put them in.
How? You help me?
Just dump the whole thing in. Pick it up. Tap, tap, tap. All right.
No more.
Should we do a banana?
Mhm. I think I done it. Hi, Quinn.
Oh, here. Ooh. That's all right.
Alright. Got some more.
Here you go.
Thanks. But you get the arrow one for me?
No, we won't use it. It's okay.
Oh,
Throw it
yeah, on the bench.
on. Okay.
But that's
All right.
okay.
So now we put the top on.
Check.
Wait. Backwards. Nope. Is it? All right. All right. Let go. Let go. All right. Hit this one for 1 second. 1. Let go. Push again. Push it.
This is coming out.
It's okay. All right, that's it. So now, do this. What do you think?
Good.
All right, so should we pour a glass? Do you want some?
Yeah.
One for you, one for me, one for Mom.
Mom, can you help us? Yeah, there's one for you and one for What are you going to do?
I'm gonna put it in here and then let you pour it in.
That's enough.
All right, pour it in the big glass for Mom.
This.
Don't
Done.
spill. No. Okay.
Then. And here. And here. Done.
Well, let's fill them up.
Yeah.
Get this big one nice and full for Mom. All right, that's good. All right, you want some more? All right.
Enough. Uh-oh.
Okay. All right. Fill up the other two for us, for you and me.
1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, it's spilling.
It's okay.
1, 2, 3. I'm counting.
You are counting. Very good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, try and put it in the glass. All right. Good job. So now what do we do? Should we get a paper towel and wipe off the glass a little bit?
Yeah. Mom?
Wait, we gotta wipe off Mom's.
Hey, Mom?
What did you make?
You gonna help me? There's one for you.
What did you make?
We're making, banana. Smoothies.
Smoothies?
Yeah,
Ooh.
for you.
All right, so give Mom hers.
Here, Mom.
Thanks, Lucas.
Get me one.
And this is mine. Here you guys.
Scoot over here. All right,
Cheers.
should we cheers? Cheers to the smoothie. Get Mom. Let's taste it.
I'm not like it.
You didn't try it.
It's delicious.
I'm not like it. This is
Cheers. Thanks, Lucas.
I'm not like it.
All right, put it down. All done?
Yep.
Okay. Good job. You want to go back to the computer?
When do you make it?
Huh?
When do you make it?
We made it. This was a short one.
Yeah. Let's get off. We need to cook it in the oven.
Mm-mm.
What did you put in here, Lucas? Strawberries?
Hmm?
What else?
Now, and mix it up. And get it out.
And mix it up. It's delicious.